Look at this. My computer is searching for my channel, finding my video and watching it automatically to boost the ranking. Today we are building a YouTube bot using Python and Selenium. This is how automation expert test search engine optimization. The logic is simple. Open YouTube, type keyword, scan the result for our video title. Welcome to Naga Automate. First, install required library Selenium. Let's start. Import Selenium WebDriver to control the browser. Import by to locate elements on the web page by ID, name. Import keys to simulate keyboard actions like pressing enter. Import service to manage the Chrome driver service. Import Chrome driver manager to automatically install or manage the right Chrome driver. Import time model to use sleep for waiting. First, we define the search term we want to type into YouTube. Next, we define the exact video title we want to find. Now define watch time, how long we want to watch the video. Next, we launch Chrome browser using Selenium and Chrome driver manager. This open YouTube homepage. This wait 5 seconds for page load. Next, we define search box, so it locates the search box on YouTube by its name attributes. Type the search term into the search box. Simulate pressing enter to submit the search. Print the search term being used. Wait 4 seconds for search results to load. Now we define video title. It collects all video title elements from the search results. Now we define loop. Compare each title with the target. If the video was found, defining print message. Save it. Let's run it. Boom. It searches Naga Automate, skips the other videos and clicks the correct one. Simple. Disclaimer: don't abuse this for fake views. Use it, learn coding. Subscribe for more Python projects.